Nobody in Louisiana goes looking for this document on a good day. They go looking for it about 10 minutes after something has gone wrong. Today, it is the Louisiana month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement is the one people most often end up in by accident, when a fixed term simply runs out and everybody carries on. Writing it down is your chance to decide the rent, the deposit, the utilities, and the notice period on purpose, instead of inheriting whatever the default happens to be. Without it, a tenancy nobody documented is governed entirely by rules neither side has read. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Louisiana law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Louisiana, and the page walks you through the Louisiana rules that apply to it. You type your details straight into the browser, and it builds the finished PDF for you, laid out properly and ready to sign. Free, nothing to install. If that helped, hit like, subscribe, so the rest of the 50-state series finds you, and head to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com to fill yours in free.